at the Surveyor Foundation relaunch event, and I'm joined here by Najma Hafiz, and she's the chairperson of the Surveyor Foundation. And we're trying to get some feedback from her following the coronavirus pandemic, what the impact has been on the organisation and the community. So we're looking to speak to her now.
Hi, Nyla. Hi.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm the founder and chair of Surveyor Foundation. We started Surveyor Foundation before the pandemic, and the whole purpose of it is to serve vulnerable elderly people who can't really get out of their homes but want to socialise and have some sort of enjoyment in their life. And also for families who need respite care. Now, the COVID has had a big effect on all our communities, especially the elderly and the vulnerable. They are more isolated, they are more stuck in their homes, they're lonely, and so that is why Surveyor Foundation will be meeting every Sunday from 2 until 6 p.m. in the afternoon. At the moment we're in Moseley, 123 Moor Green Lane, and the reason why we've opened this beautiful place is because there's a huge car park for the families, but more important, all the facilities will be here available for our Buzurg and our families, so at least once a week they can get out of their homes and have a lovely, enjoyable time.
Okay, next point is we're looking to see what the major challenges have been following the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic that took effect across the world. We just want to see how the impact has been on the efforts of the foundation, how it's impacted on them in terms of the challenges as well.
There's been a huge challenge on all organisations, but especially those of us who are serving the most needy and the most vulnerable. It's been terrible because people have not been able to see their families, they have not been able to go out, they have not been able to socialise, and unfortunately the rate of loneliness, isolation and depression has risen drastically. And that is why, thank goodness, now that we have got some relaxation from COVID, we can now meet. And this is why Surveyor Foundation will be meeting every Sunday afternoon, 2 to 6, to enable those people who suffered all through COVID to get out of their homes, come and have a good time with other elders and their families.
Okay, and now we're looking at what the major impact has been on the third sector, what are the major challenges and strategic objectives as well for the future for the organisation.
The impact has been huge, huge impact on all sectors, especially the third sector, where you've got an older population, a growing older population, which we should celebrate, but unfortunately the services to them are decreasing, and now with COVID that has had a very big impact on those people. That is why organisations like ours, Surveyor Foundation, is here to make sure that all those people who suffered through COVID now have the opportunity of getting improved services and also a chance to get out of their homes, socialise, mingle and jingle, gup shop, eat together and enjoy themselves.
Okay, finally now we just want to see what the aims and objectives are of the Surveyor Foundation, and the tagline being living a dignified support. Thank you, over to you.
Thank you, Nyla. The aims and the mission statement of Surveyor Foundation is to make sure that all our elderly population receive the respect and dignity they deserve. Unfortunately, because many councils and government has slashed budgets, the services like home care, domiciliary care has decreased, and so a lot of our elderly people are suffering in silence. Surveyor Foundation is determined to make sure that all our elderly population and the families who need support to look after their elderly population get the support, and that's why we are meeting every Sunday 2 till 6 p.m. in Moseley, 123 Moor Green Lane. So please come and join us.
Thank you. Best wishes for your relaunch event today for the Surveyor Foundation, and thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.